Bienvenidos a CruzBlanca Empresas.
Bueno, estamos nosotros con Bud Loprest. Bud is CEO of TOYALA América. Muchas gracias, Bud, por estar con nosotros. Queremos hacerte algunas preguntas. Y un poco, la primera es, desde tu experiencia, Bud, ¿por qué crees que las empresas deberían apostar por la prevención, por la salud preventiva?
Well, I think our experience has been that the prevention ultimately is cheaper than the ongoing costs of people that need chronic care. So there is a cost benefit. You spend some money up front to catch the illness or the potential disease before it becomes a chronic condition. So I think the expenses are cheaper in the beginning, but also the quality of life is better. And I think that's really what we're trying to do, is educate our employees, make them aware, use the tools, the screening tools that we provide. And if we can catch a problem before it gets to be a major health problem, we save money, and I think the employees' quality of life is much improved.
Esta tendencia en Chile está recién partiendo, ¿okay? Y un poco en Estados Unidos, al parecer, esta tendencia hoy día está bastante más globalizada, más expandida a través de las empresas. Entonces, ¿qué tan lejos crees tú que estamos de que esto sea realmente algo estándar o que sea algo emblemático al interior de las empresas?
Well, my sense is that there are not many people doing what we're doing. There's a lot of people talking about wellness, and we were doing it before, and that's why it wasn't working for us. We were talking about wellness, but it was a mailing to the house, eat better, or please exercise more, but it didn't have any impact. So I think we're rather innovative for a small business. We're, I believe, much farther along than a lot of other companies in the United States. They're still trying to manage their insurance plan and their health care cost. They're talking about wellness, but they haven't introduced a real active program. So I think we're rather far ahead in terms of how to get it in Chile. I don't know the cultural differences, but I wouldn't imagine employees would be the same, I think, in Chile or in the United States. It's about leadership and commitment.
Yes.
And if you give them the right tools, I would think it would be just as easy here as it was for us in Chicago.
Okay.
That's my hope.
¿Qué le dirías tú a los responsables de recursos humanos, o a los responsables de las empresas en general, para hacerse parte de esta tendencia?
Well, I think we've learned that human resources isn't just an administrative job, but it can be an impact position. It can bring value if you're creative and innovative. So we've changed our perspective on how active our human resource people can be in really strategically changing the direction of the business. We believe very much in that. So I think if I was a general manager, you can ask your human resource people, if you ask them, they would gladly play a more active role in innovating and not just managing your systems. So I think from a general manager's standpoint, and we believe this, I think, very strongly, there's a responsibility to the shareholders, of course, but the employees have to be part of the management's responsibility to advancing the interests of the company. We can have great technology and be financially strong, but if our accident rate is high, our employees aren't healthy, then you're really not achieving, I think you're underachieving what your capabilities should be. So we look at that as the wellness of our employees is just another extension of our management responsibility. Financially, our healthcare spending is a cost, we would manage any cost in our business the same way. Why is our insurance, why is our healthcare any different? You have to define the problem, yes, establish a metric to determine where you are, put resources available, make resources available, empower the employees to make decisions. It would be the same if we were developing a new product or moving into a new market. We just applied the same principle to our healthcare costs that we do in other areas of the business.
Bueno, Pat, queremos agradecerte en nombre de CruzBlanca y de CruzBlanca Empresa la presencia y un poco el que nos hayas podido transmitir tu experiencia acá en Chile. Nosotros creemos que esto hoy día está recién partiendo aquí y contar con la experiencia de personas como tú que lo han implementado y lo han implementado exitosamente para nosotros es muy valioso. Así que muchas gracias por venir para acá y ojalá que tu estadía en Chile sea muy agradable.
Bienvenidos a CruzBlanca Empresas.